Hello, my name is Thomas. I am the acting manager of Owen's website and SEO marketing. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. If you're watching this video, you have shown interest in getting your site done or redone. And I wanted to show you some sites I've had created for my customers. As you can see, these are very beautiful, very well done sites that were put together and have great content. And they provide 6 pages of content, along with a services page, about us, and a contact page. So basically a really large list to go over your services. And I also want to show you this right here. This is for a mold removal restoration company, construction company, things like that. Same thing, very beautiful, very well put together, good content, and pages, and again, things that Google really likes, and it will help with some of your rankings. I did the same thing here for a dumpster rental site. Again, same thing, different template, but very, very beautiful site and very well put together. Last but not least, you got a free commercial trucking insurance. Again, same thing, very well put together, very, very nice put together sites. So basically, we like to build great sites for great companies. I also wanted to show you this. Well, this is the dumpster rental site on the phone. As you can see, it is touch responsive, mobile friendly, very easy to use on a phone, and very important since people are getting away from, obviously, from desktops and laptops and going to more tablet-based and phone-based systems. If you have any questions or any concerns, just give us a call or send us an email. I'll be glad to answer any questions you have. My name is Thomas, and you have a wonderful day.